In this video, I discuss the law of conversion of energy. So generally you know what is the energy? Energy is the ability to do work or perform some work. Now conversion means translations of the energy. Okay. So you all of study already law of conversions of energy. The law of conversion of energy state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only convert from one form of energy to another form of energy. Okay, so here I show you the lots of examples related to the conversion of energy. Okay, so first I remind you what are the types of energy. Types of energy is mechanical energy, heat energy, nuclear energy, wind energy, solar energy, chemical energy. Okay, so these are the various form of energy. So this energy is neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, it's only converted from one form of energy to the another form. Means mechanical energy is converted in heat energy, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy or a heat energy. Okay, now I show the different examples. Now in winter seasons, okay, generally we are rub our hands. Why we are rubbing our hand in winter seasons? Because we require the heat energy. Okay, so when we rub our hands, we do some work energy. Okay, so this work energy is converted into the heat energy in our hands. So this is the best examples of conversions of energy. Now we also study some another example here. We eat the food. Okay, here you see the image of the pizza. Okay, so every foods have some chemical energy. Okay, when we eat the foods, our body gets some chemical energy. Its digestion is start in the stomach, and some work and heat energy is produced inside our body. So by using this work energy, we are able to perform some work. Okay, so you are performing some work when you readings, when you doing some exercise, when you doing the walking, joggings, doing the exercise in the gym, even riding the bike. Okay, or even the sleeping, our body is required a certain energy. Okay, so this is also the simple example of the conversion of energy. Okay, that is the daily life examples. Okay, so chemical energy is converted into the work energy when we eat the food. Now second examples, here you see this is the symbol of the petrol pump or a diesel pump or a CNG pump. Okay, or any gas stations. Okay, so in every in a petrol, diesels or a gas, there is a chemical energy is there. Okay, now we filling this petrol or a diesels in our vehicles. Okay, suppose you run your two-wheelers bike. Okay, so in bike you fill the petrol. This petrol is converted, petrol have the chemicals energy, and this chemical energy is first converted in a heat engine, in IC engines, and this heat energy is converted into the mechanical energy of the shaft, and this shaft is transmit the power to our wheels. Okay, so here you see this chemical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Seconds, in a four-wheelers, either we fill the CNG, diesels or a petrol. Okay, so same things as the two-wheelers. In a four-wheel, chemical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Similarly, in IC engine, chemical energy is converted in heat. Then after heat is converted into mechanicals and it's transmitted to the wheel. Here I show you this another in aeroplanes. Okay, so in aeroplane, that is a jet engine is there. Okay, so in jet engine we supplied some chemical energy in a form of petrol or super petrols. Okay, and is converted into chemical energy, in a heat energy, and then after it is converted into the mechanical energy, and the aircraft is the flying. So here what we studied, how the chemical energy is converted in mechanical energy in a different mechanical components. Now here we see how the conversions of electrical energy in a various forms of the energy. So here this is the symbol of the tower that is generally transmitting the electricity. So here our main source is the electrical energy, and how the electrical energy is converted into the another form of the energy. So first I show you this light bulb. Okay, so in a light bulb we supply electricity and it is converted in the light, means in a illusions power. Okay, so in a that the electrical energy is converted in illusions energy, that is called as the light. Second, in a fan. Okay, so generally we use the ceiling fan. In the ceiling fan we supply electrical energy and it is converted in the mechanical energy. So this fan is rotated. Okay, so here electrical is converted into the mechanical energy. Third one, we generally use the oven in our kitchens. So in a oven we supply electrical energy and it is converted into the heat energy. So it is conversion of electrical energy to heat energy. And the next one is the speaker. Okay, in a speaker we supply electrical energy and we get the sound energy. Okay, so in this image you see the various forms of the electrical energy conversions in the some another form of the energy. Okay, so this is the law of conversions of energy. Energy neither created nor be destroyed, it's only transferred from one form to another forms. Now before moving ahead, I request to like my video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to engineering thermodynamics as well as the another subject of the mechanical engineering. For that I request to visit the playlist. Now here we further adding some parts in a law of conversions of energy. Okay, it simply state that during an interaction energy can change from one form to another, but the total amount of energy remains constant. That is, the energy cannot created nor be destroyed. Okay, so total energy conversion is there. Okay, because the here what we written, energy can change from one form to another, but in total amount of energy remains constant, means total amount of the energy is remain same. Okay, so here we consider the one examples. Okay, so in this example here you see that is a one rock is there. Okay, and this rock is falling from the cliff. Okay, so when this rock on the cliff, at that time they have only potential energy. Okay, so this PE means potential energy 10 units. When these rock are steady on this cliff, at that time kinetic energy is 0. Okay, but a rock falling off a cliff, for examples, pick up the speed as a result of potential energy and being converted into the kinetic energy. Okay, so when this falling of the rock from the cliff is there, at that time in between the falling and it is come onto the sea, okay, the energy form is continuously changed. Okay, so in between they have the energy, that is the potential energy 7 units and kinetic energy is there because the kinetic energy is increased. When this rock is again come on to steady conditions on the sea, at that time they have again the potential energy 10 units and kinetic energy is 0. Okay, so there is a always change, total energy remains same. Okay, but in every system it is not possible that the total energy is same, but sometimes the energy is stored inside the body. Okay, for that I show you the best examples on the next slides so you can understand easily. The conversion of energy principles also form the backbone of the diet industries. Okay, so when the diet industries come, that is come to our human body. Okay, so here you see the one human beings, they take the energy in, that is the 5 units, energy out is the 4 units. Okay, means the input is higher than what amount the output. Okay, so the 1 unit is stored inside their body in a form of the fat, that's why its body are growing. Okay, so it is sometimes the energy is stored in a form of internal energy. Okay, always the input and output are not same. Okay, so our input is higher and output is lower than our body is the growing. Okay, in a form of the fat, internal energy is stored. So here I written the same things. Person who has greater energy input, means they eat the more foods, then the energy output will gain the weight and the store energy in the form of the fat. Okay, and the reverse thing is also possible. So some people bodies are not growing. Why not growing? Because they eat the less energy, they eat the less food and doing the more work. Okay, so similar thing is there. A person who has the smaller energy input, then the output will lose the weight. Okay, that is shown in this figure. The change in the energy content of the body or any other system is equal to the difference between energy input and the energy outputs, and energy balance is expressed as, means change in energy. Here energy store is the, what is the equations of energy stores, that is energy in minus energy out. So energy store is the 1 unit. Okay, that is a simple equation is written that energy in minus energy out is equal to the change in the energy. Okay, so sometimes the energy is also stored inside the body. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned, then like the video, subscribe the channels, and don't forget to share with your friends, and watching the more video related to mechanical engineering. The various playlist is provided, so I request to visit the playlist for watching the more video of the ET as well as for the mechanical engineering.